Mangal Mathri students, let us discuss with database management system, and today we will discuss how to delete the data from a table, how to delete a particular row from the table, how to update the data, how to update the particular row in the table. So let us start. The name of the database is use 12th ASA Python. The name of the database is use 12th ASA Python. Now I want to show the name of the table. Show tables. Now we will describe all the data of the table by using the query select star from, and the name of the table is student. When I will write this query select star from student, the whole data of the table will be displayed in front of you in the row structure form. Now dear students, let us continue further discussion in today lecture. Suppose I want to delete a particular row. Suppose I want to delete the record of Lokesh whose SR number is 6123. The query I will write is delete from student. Dear student, if I write this query delete from student and I put the semicolon and I press the enter, then whole data of the table will be deleted. Dear students, I am saying again, if you just write this query delete from student, the whole data will be deleted from your table. But if you want to delete the particular student data, then you have to write, you have to match the data with the SR number of the Lokesh. So delete from student where SR number equal to 6123, and now the record of Lokesh will be deleted from your table, and when I press enter you can see that query OK, one row affected. It means the record of Lokesh has been deleted from your table. Now you want to check that it has been deleted or not. Just again write the query select star from table का नाम student. Now you can see over here students that the record of Lokesh has been completely deleted from your table student. Again, suppose I want to delete the record of Sonia Verma whose SR number is 6125. Again I will write the query select star from table का नाम student where SR number is equal to Sonia Verma का SR number 6125, and when I put semicolon, when I press enter, you can see here in this query the record of Sonia Verma is displayed in front of you, but you want to delete it. So you want to delete it, you have to write the query SR number is equal to 6125. So this record has been deleted from your table. Now you want to check it has been deleted or not. So select star from student. Here students, you can see over here that the record of Sonia Verma has been deleted from your table. So dear students, again to delete the record of a particular student from the table, we will write the query delete from student table का नाम where SR number is equal to the particular SR number whose record you want to be delete from the table. And dear students, if you want to delete the whole table data, then you have to write the query delete from table का नाम student. When you write this query delete from student, the whole table data will be deleted from your table, and when you write delete from student where SR number is equal to the particular student SR number, then that particular record will be deleted from your table student. Now let us continue further. Suppose I want to update my table. Suppose I want to update the record of my table. Let us take an example. For example, we take the record of the Vineet Gupta. Suppose I want to update the address of Vineet Gupta, Ganeshpur, Roorkee to Saket Colony. Suppose I want to update the address of Vineet Gupta from Ganeshpur, Roorkee to Saket Colony. So to update the record of a particular student from a table, we will write the query update. After that table का नाम student set, we will use set clause. अब मुझे I have to update the student address, so I have to write the name of the column stud address. Set stud address is equal to Saket Colony. Saket Colony. Suppose I also mention the house number 123/A apartment 3. Now, but if I write this query, the whole table address will be updated. But I have to update the record of only Vineet Gupta. So I will use also where SR number is equal to 9134. Now when I press enter, query OK, one row affected. Dear students, the record has been updated of Vineet Gupta. Its address has been updated from Ganeshpur, Roorkee to Saket Colony 123/A3. Suppose I want to check whether it has been updated or not. I will write the query select star from table name is student. Now when I press the enter, you can check over here that the record of Vineet Gupta from Ganeshpur, Roorkee has been updated to Saket Colony 123/A3. Now again, suppose I want to update the age of Satyam Prasar. Suppose let us take another example. I want to update the age of Satyam Prasar from 17 to 20. So again I will write the query update table names student set stud age. Now I will mention the name of the column stud age because I have to update the age of particular student Satyam Prasar. Stud age is equal to 20 where SR number is equal to 7689. Now when I press enter, the record has been updated. Now I want to check that whether it has been updated or not. I will write the query select star from student. Now you can check that Satyam Prasar age has been updated from 17 to 20. So dear student, today we have discussed two queries: how to delete a particular row, how to delete particular data, how to delete the whole data from a table, how to update the particular student address. Tomorrow we will discuss further more queries for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care.